Greetings of the day. My best wishes to all the students and teachers on this happy occasion of Teachers' Day. Happy Teachers' Day. I welcome you all on this special day. Every year on 5th September, Teachers' Day is organized to honor the vital role teachers play in children's education. On this auspicious occasion, I am sharing with you some thoughts related to teachers. On this day, our former president Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan was born. Dr. Radhakrishnan was a scholar and a great teacher. He has contributed a lot to this field of education. In view of his dedication to education and respect for teachers, his birthday is celebrated as Teachers' Day. Dr. Radhakrishnan had once said that a qualified teacher is the one within whom a student lives. A teacher is like a craftsman who imparts the right knowledge to his or her students and makes them qualified citizens. Teachers elevate children's behavior with their creative ideas. Teachers make our future bright with the right guidance. Just as our body needs food, similarly we need education to move forward in life and achieve great heights. On this occasion, I want to thank all our dear students who have been showering lots of love and respect throughout and helping us to change the lives of many with their thoughts and taking them to great heights. Congratulations to all your hard work and effort, and on behalf of all the teachers, I once again thank you all in making this day very special for us. Thank you.
Friend and guide of our life, who also imparts good values in us. Teachers take their best efforts to turn the students into responsible citizens. Teachers play a very important role in each one of our lives. I wish all teachers and staff members of DPSMR a very happy Teachers' Day. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. My name is Mano Tejas. I am studying in grade 1. Happy Teachers' Day. This song is for my all teachers. Swami Devani Lokapalane te namostu namostu te. Premadindali nodu nammanu te namostu namostu te. Deva Devani ಕಷ್ಟಪಾದಗಳಿಂದಲೂ ಮನದಿಂದಲೂ ನಾವು ಮಾಡಿದ ಪಾಪವೆಲ್ಲವ ಹೋಗಲಾಡಿಸು ಬೇಗನೆ. ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ದೇವನೇ ಲೋಕಪಾಲನೆ ತೇ ನಮೋಸ್ತು ನಮೋಸ್ತು ತೇ. ಪ್ರೇಮದಿಂದಲೇ ನೋಡು ನಮ್ಮನು ತೇ ನಮೋಸ್ತು ನಮೋಸ್ತು ತೇ. ವಿಜಯ ವಿದ್ಯಾರಣ್ಯ ಕಟ್ಟಿದ ಚಾಮುಂಡಾಂಬೆಯ ನಾಡಿನ ಮನೆಯ ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಐಕ್ಯ ಗಾನವ ಲಾಲಿಸಿ ಪರಿಪಾಲಿಸಿ. ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ದೇವನೇ ಲೋಕಪಾಲನೆ ತೇ ನಮೋಸ್ತು ನಮೋಸ್ತುತೆ. ಪ್ರೇಮದಿಂದಲೇ ನೋಡು ನಮ್ಮನು ತೇ ನಮೋಸ್ತು ನಮೋಸ್ತುತೆ. ಗುರು ಬ್ರಹ್ಮ ಗುರು ವಿಷ್ಣು ಗುರುದೇವೋ ಮಹೇಶ್ವರ ಗುರು ಸಾಕ್ಷಾತ್ ಪರಬ್ರಹ್ಮ ತಸ್ಮೈ ಶ್ರೀ ಗುರುವೇ ನಮಃ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು. ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ ಟೀಚರ್ಸ್ ಡೇ.
My name is Kashish Nanda. I am in grade 1. मैं आज टीचर्स डे के बारे में बताना चाहती हूँ. मम्मा पापा के बाद जो सबसे महान है हमारा टीचर. टीचर से हम सब कुछ सीख सकते हैं. इसीलिए तो बोला गया है गुरु ब्रह्मा गुरु विष्णु गुरु देवा महेश्वरो. गुरु सख्य पव ब्रह्मा तस्मै से गुरुवे नमः.
Good morning, ma'am and sir. I am Dhanush MD from grade 2. I wish you a very happy Teachers Day. Bindu ma'am, Sumitra ma'am, Shweta ma'am, Srirupa ma'am, Rakesh sir and Prashant sir. Thank you for being my teacher. I will now recite a shloka for all of my teachers. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Guruve Namah. Thank you. Happy Teachers Day to all of you. I'm going to play the song Baby Shark by Pink Swan. Thank you.
Happy Teachers Day.
Good morning, everybody. My name is Sahan. I am studying in grade 2. I have learned the song for Teachers Day. ಜೋಗರ ಸಿರಿ ಬೆಳಕಿನಲ್ಲಿ ತುಂಗೇತನ ಬಳುಕಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಸಹ್ಯಾದ್ರಿಯ ಲೋಕರದಿರ ಉತ್ತುಂಗದ ನಿಲುಕಿನಲ್ಲಿ ನಿತ್ಯ ಹರಿವರ್ಣವನ ದೇಗ ತಂದ ಗುರುಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ನಿತ್ಯೋತ್ಸವ ತಾಯಿ ನಿತ್ಯೋತ್ಸವ ನಿನಗೆ ನಿತ್ಯೋತ್ಸವ ತಾಯಿ ನಿತ್ಯೋತ್ಸವ. ಇತಿಹಾಸದ ಹಿಮದಲ್ಲಿನ ಸಿಂಹಾಸನ ಮಾಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಗತ ಸಾಹಸ ಸಾರುತ್ತಿರುವ ಶಾಸನಗಳ ಶಾಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಓಲೆಗರಿಯ ಸಿರಿಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ತೇಗುಲ ಭಿತ್ತಿಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ನಿತ್ಯೋತ್ಸವ ತಾಯಿ ನಿತ್ಯೋತ್ಸವ ನಿನಗೆ ನಿತ್ಯೋತ್ಸವ ತಾಯಿ ನಿತ್ಯೋತ್ಸವ ಅರವೆನ್ನರ ಹಿರಿಮೆ ಕುಲವೆನ್ನರ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಸದ್ವಿಕಾಸಶೀಲ ನುಡಿಯ ಲೋಕಾಮೃತ ಸೀಮೆ ಈ ಮಜ್ಜರ ನಿರ್ಮಜ್ಜರ ಮನದುದಾದ ಮಹಿಮೆ ನಿತ್ಯೋತ್ಸವ ತಾಯಿ ನಿತ್ಯೋತ್ಸವ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
Good morning everyone. I am Muhammad Zafruddin from grade 4. Happy Teachers Day. Teachers Day is celebrated on the birthday of Dr. Radha Krishnan. Happy Teachers Day to you. Happy Teachers Day to you. Happy Teachers Day. Happy Teachers Day. Happy Teachers Day to you. Teachers are helpers. Teachers are guiders. Teachers guide us to the right way. Happy Teachers Day to you. Thank you.
Good morning, everybody. My name is Chandan. I'm studying in grade 4. Today I'm going to say a speech on Teachers' Day. They guide us, they support us, they teach us, and they inspire us. Today is the day to thank them and say a Happy Teachers' Day. Thank you.
Good morning to all respected teachers and my dear friends. Wish you all a very happy Teachers' Day. Teachers' Day was celebrated on 5th of September every year in India. It was the birth anniversary of Bharat Ratna Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. He was a great president and a great scholar and excellent teacher. Teachers' Day is the best way for us to express love and respect for our teachers. Every teacher is a reflection of his or her students. Dear friends, we should always obey our teachers' rules and follow their advices. Once again, happy Teachers' Day for all my teachers. Thank you.
Happy Teachers' Day for all my teachers. Today I'm going to play When the Saints Go Marching In. Happy Teachers' Day to all my teachers. Thank you for teaching and guiding us. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Deva Maheshwaraha, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. Thank you.
Happy Teachers' Day, ma'am. Good morning to all the teachers and my dear friends. Before I start the speech, I would like to wish all the teachers a very happy Teachers' Day. Teachers' Day is important for everyone. It celebrates the transformative role of a teacher which they play in a children's life. In other words, teachers spend all their years in educating us and helping us become better human beings. In India, 5th September is chosen as Teachers' Day because it was the birthday of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. He was renowned as the academic of our country, who was also the first vice president, second president of independent India. Teachers are the backbone of our society. They spearhead change by shaping by building students. Personality make them ideal citizens of the country. They are the source of knowledge and wisdom. From them leads the ideas and thoughts that one day each one of us will use to provide back to this society. I would like to extend my gratitude for every teacher for selfless service and dynamic support.
We are always grateful to you. Thank you.